Good day to everyone. I am Dr. Marco Meduranda from the Schools Division Office, Navotas City. Today, I will share with you our division's journey of embedding peace education with the support of HWPL, how we started with a vision, took action, and are now reaping the fruits of peace initiatives across our schools. My personal journey began in 2007 when I first joined the Department of Education. From the start, I have always carried global citizenship ideals. My experiences in the Korea-Philippine Teacher Exchange Program and US TESOL training shaped me into a global Filipino educator I am today. Deeply committed to peace, intercultural learning, and international understanding, these values guided me as I grew in the service. My work in the HWPL started in 2022 when I was the principal of Navotas National High School. Even during the pandemic, we partnered with HWPL to address cyberbullying and promote peace education. Through their materials and programs, our teachers and learners built a community that was not only safe, but also joyful and peaceful. This partnership was formalized in 2022 through a virtual MOU with HWPL administrators in South Korea. When I became the Chief Education Supervisor of the Curriculum Implementation Division in SDO Navotas, I ensured that peace education would go beyond one school. One of my first initiatives was a division-wide MOA with HWPL in June 2024 that was highly supported by our school's division superintendent and our local government. This was part of our curriculum enhancement, making peace education a central theme across all our schools. We then conducted curriculum mapping sessions with our social studies and values education group, integrating peace education themes into the national standards of our curriculum. School heads actively supported this effort, and by 2025, all 15 elementary schools and 9 high schools adopted the MAP curriculum for implementation for school year 2025-2026, benefiting 384 teachers and 15,392 learners. In July 2025, we released a division memorandum on the utilization of HWPL materials in social studies and values education. This was followed by a milestone, the unveiling of the first ever Peace Monument in Navotas City at Tangos National High School. This monument stands as a testament to our shared commitment to nurturing a culture of peace through education and community engagement. We also recognize that peace must extend beyond the classroom. Through initiatives like Project Apat, ang paaralan sa aming tahanan, we engaged parents as partners, guiding families to practice respect, kindness, empathy, and forgiveness, values that reflect HWPL's peace lessons. This ensures that peace values are lived not only in schools, but also in homes. We aligned our peace education initiative with our existing Project GLACE, or Global Learning Through Active Citizenship Education. Through this after-school enhancement program, schools implement service learning projects that link peace education with the sustainable development goals. These include forums on social justice, environmental awareness, diversity, mental health, and social media advocacy. In this way, our schools show that peace education is not abstract, but lived, practical, and transformative. As we move forward, we commit to sustaining these gains by fully integrating peace education in social studies and values education and across all learning areas, and institutionalizing peace clubs in schools and continuously capacitating our teachers and leaders. This is how we sustain the harvest of peace education and ensure it thrives for future generations. From planting the first seeds at Navotas National High School to spreading the roots across our 24 schools and now flourishing as a division-wide movement, we at Navotas City are proud to walk this journey of peace with HWPL. Together, we are building not just schools, but communities that values peace, empathy, and global understanding. Indeed, together we are one. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Kamsahamnida.